the subscribe button and the bell to never miss out any of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can create this nail art design which I did for Friendship Day, which is today. This design is for all my friends out there and also for all the new friends I've made in this nail industry. So let's get started. So at first I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this Peacock Blue nail polish, which is from Laroy's Insta Love collection. Now I'm going to be doing swatches of all the 10 nail polish from this Insta Love collection, but you guys have to wait for it because I still have to do the editing. My swatches are done, this editing is left. So please wait, you guys are going to watch it. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it out.
Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living mirrors dreams when I think.
Next I'm going to be using this white acrylic paint and this brush from Beauty Big Bang. The link of this nail art brush is in the description box. If you guys are interested to buy it, then you can do so. And also you can use my code AURA10 to get 10% off. So the nail art design I've made is very simple and it's a full freehand design. So I've made the tutorial as short as possible so that you guys can watch it, enjoy it and don't get bored. So just enjoy the tutorial with a background music.
Just listen to the sound, two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's unforgiven, you and your wicked ways.
Now if you guys want, you can use the yellow paint to create the flowers, but I have used the yellow paint over the white paint just because the background of this nail polish is dark and yellow color will not pop up nicely. So it's a trick, you guys can say that you should use some white base to pop up the light color over a dark color. Next I'm using this red paint to create the shades of the flower. finally add a top coat to seal the design, and this is the finished look, guys. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And comment down below whether you guys like it or not, and if you guys have some different type of requests, then do let me know in the comments below. I would love to do it. And also share this video with all of your friends so that they can also learn it and create it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.